Afro.
Stylicity.
Hey guys, I received some requests to show a quick tutorial on how to increase the maximum speed on the Rad bike. So here we go. First things first, always practice safety each and every time you go biking. This tutorial is pretty easy and straightforward. Turn on the bike. Then press and hold the up and down buttons at the same time to access the main settings. Push the menu button to get to setting 2. Now use the up button to increase your speed from the default setting of 30 kilometers per hour to the maximum, which is 40 kilometers per hour, which equates to 24.85 miles per hour. Once complete, hold down the menu button to leave the main settings view. Once again, to access the main setting, press and hold the up and down buttons at the same time to get access. Then push the menu button to access setting 2. Then use the up or down buttons to increase or decrease your maximum speed. Once completed, hold the menu button to leave the main settings view. Alright, you're all set. I really love this configuration feature because depending on who you allow to ride your e-bike, you have a safety measure that you can set in place ahead of time. This bike is pretty fast, and personally, I've always wondered if torque is lost after adjusting to the maximum speed. What do you guys think? Comment below and let me know what your thoughts are.
Afro.
Stylicity.